I'm Melanie Cargill from Menter Moch Cymru. Thank you for joining us today for the winners announcement of this year's Menter Moch Cymru and Wales YFC Pig Finishing Initiative. The judges were really impressed with all the applications, and we can't wait to be working with the young farmers selected to take part in the competition this year. Each of the participants will receive 5 weaners of their chosen breed. They'll also enrol in a bespoke training programme, and they'll receive one-to-one mentoring. Then later in the year at the Winter Fair, the overall winner will be selected. This is the 4th year we've ran this initiative in collaboration with Wales YFC, and it's brilliant to see the lasting positive impact it's had on the young farmers themselves, but also on encouraging new entrances into the pig sector. I'm sure you'll join me in congratulating the young farmers on their success so far, and also wishing them the very best of luck for the rest of the year.
The Menter Moch programme is a fantastic initiative for members within Wales YFC. The programme gives those involved the opportunity to develop business and livestock management skills. It provides a unique and exciting opportunity for members to gain a hands-on experience of pig keeping, and even gives the chance for young farmers involved to develop a new and exciting business venture, which many of our past competitors have taken up. We as Wales YFC and the Rural Affairs Committee are delighted to once again be working with Menter Business in the delivery of the Menter Moch project, and we'd like to take this opportunity to give all of the competitors this year the best of luck.
Helo, fe enw i Dylan Phillips, dwi'n 17 mlwydd oed ac yn aelod o Clwb Ffermwyr Ifanc Llangorifon. Dwi'n byw ar fferm Bwlchalandir yn Sir Ceredigion, a dwi'n hapus iawn fy mod i wedi cael y siawns i cystadlu yn y Cystadleuaeth yma. Mae'n anrhydedd fy mod i wedi cael fy newis i fod yn un o'r 6 cystadleuaeth dros Gymru. Rwy'n cyffroes iawn i parhau efo camau nesaf y Cystadleuaeth, ac rwy wedi dysgu sut gymaint am cadw moch yn barod, wrth cymryd rhan mewn rhannau cyntaf y Cystadleuaeth yma. Ac felly dwi'n edrych mlaen at dysgu llawer mwy yn y misoedd nesaf, a trwy profiad efo moch a trwy'r sesiynau hyfforddiant Rithiol. Dwi hefyd yn teimlo'n falch iawn i cael y siawns i troi breuddwyd o cadw moch i mewn i wirionedd, gan bydd yn rhoi siawns i mi sefydlu menter fy hunain a dysgu sgiliau newydd yn y broses. Y rhan rhywun fwyaf cyffroes ar gyfer ydy derbyn y profiad o osmonaeth moch wrth ofalu am y perchyll, a dwi'n gobeithio fyddaf yn derbyn llawer o wybodaeth gallai defnyddio yn y dyfodol. Dwi hefyd yn cyffroes iawn am derbyn yr hyfforddiant Rithiol am cadw y marchnata'r moch, gan byddaf yn derbyn llawer o wybodaeth y sgiliau newydd allai defnyddio yn y menter yn y dyfodol. Yn olaf, rwy'n edrych ymlaen at cael y siawns i ddangos un o'r moch yn y ffair eaf, ac dysgu am sut i paratoi'r moch a'i sioea. Ac felly diolch yn fawr i Menter Moch Cymru am yngheniadau cystadlu yn rhan nesaf y Cystadleuaeth yma.
Helo, Eirin Williams ydw i o Glwb Ffermwyr Ifanc Llangorifon yng Ngheredigion. Fi'n ddiolchgar iawn fy mod wedi cael fy newis i fod yn rhan o'r Menter Moch eleni, a dwi'n edrych ymlaen i groesawu'r moch yma i ti newydd. Dwi hefyd yn edrych ymlaen i ddysgu oddi wrth yr arbenigwyr a'r aelodau eraill o'r Menter Moch eleni, ac o sgwrs i flasu'r cynnyrch ar ddiwedd y dydd. Diolch.
Helo, Lina dy fi. Fi'n aelod o Glwb Ffermwyr Ifanc Llanllwni a'n byw fan hyn ar fferm Blaenwain Ganol ar bwys Llanwnen. Licen ni'n gyntaf ddiolch i Menter Moch a CffI Cymru am y cyfle i gymryd rhan yn y gystadleuaeth hon. Rwy'n ffodus iawn i fod wedi cael fy newis i dderbyn 5 mochyn bach yma i'r fferm. Fi'n edrych ymlaen i gwrdd â gweddill y criw ac i weld datblygiad y moch, gan obeithio gael y cyfle i gystadlu yn y ffair eaf ar ddiwedd y flwyddyn.
Hello, my name is Enillwyr Roberts and I live here on a beef and sheep farm on Anglesey with my family. I also attend Rosabol YFC and have just finished a 3-year course from Rithiol College studying agriculture. As I was looking for a new challenge for myself, I came across this competition of rearing pigs, and I am proud to say that I have been shortlisted and will receive 5 pigs in September, where I will be looking after and finishing them myself. In this process, I am hoping to learn a lot more skills and gain more knowledge about pigs. It is a great chance for young people like myself that has been given by the young farmers and Menter Moch for us to learn more about pigs and other things that we can do within the agricultural community. It has given me the chance to open my eyes and think about diversifying our farm, which I hope to do in the future alongside having more pigs after the competition. As a part of the competition, I will also be able to show the pigs in the winter fair at Bilth in the winter if everything goes to plan. I am also looking forward to this very much as I have competed there many times with cattle and sheep, and I am looking forward to trying it with something new in the future. So I'm very proud of myself and what I have achieved so far, and I can't wait until I get the pigs here and learn more and see what the future holds. I would just like to say thank you for the opportunity of having this, and I can't wait to have the pigs come here to Bryn Sannon on Anglesey. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name's Sally and I'm a member of YFC. I'm really excited about being part of this year's programme as I think it's a great opportunity to learn about a different farming sector that I'm not at all familiar with. I'm most looking forward to learning about pig nutrition and how it differs from different farming practices like beef and sheep. I also want to learn more about how the process of the pigs being reared from weaners to fat and what has to be put in to produce good quality produce.
Helo, ben yw Laura o Clwb Llangwirfon Ceredigion a mae'n braint i cael ei ddewis i magu 5 mochyn. Rwy'n edrych ymlaen i'w fagu ac yn bennaf i'w mynd â nhw i'r ffair iaf.